Catalog Maker has many standard layouts, but if you want to make something different, you can make your own custom layout. Click on Use Custom Dimensions on the top right of the screen, then enter the width and height. Click Create, and here is the new blank layout. Enter a title for the layout. Click Save. Changing the cover page. Click Elements, then Uploads. Drag an image onto the cover page. Select the image, drag to position it, and resize it. It's very intuitive. Just drag and drop. Reselect the image from the toolbar, click Center Back. And to change the title, select the background, click Send to Back, select the text box, and resize using drag and drop. And using the toolbar, you can change the font, and change the color. To add a new page, click the icon to the right and a new blank page appears. Click Elements, then Product Layouts. Then you can select a layout to drag onto the page. Close the sidebar, select the product layout and click Replace Product. And select a product. And click Apply Now. To customize the product layout is easy. Just select it. And you can resize it using drag and drop. And you can do the same for elements within the product layout. Just select and drag to reposition or resize. When you select an element, the toolbar appears at the top. You can use this toolbar to change fonts and format, or colors. You can change any element in your product layout. Just select it and use the controls in the toolbar to change it. When you are happy with the product layout, select the whole layout. Click on Save Product Layout, enter a name for the layout, and click Save. Now you can add more product layouts to the page. Click on Elements and then Product Layouts. You can select your new layout, drag it onto the page, select it and reposition it. Replace the product again. And repeat to add more product layouts to the page. It's very intuitive, so it's quick and easy to learn. Add more product layouts and reposition them. And replace the products like before. This layout will have 6 products per page when it's finished. Just repeat the same process for the new product layouts. All the product layouts are on the page. You can add some branding. To add a page header, go to Elements and then Shapes. Select a square, drag it onto the page, reposition it, and use the controls on the toolbar to change the colour. Now resize it. To make a header bar for the page. To add a page footer, select the new header bar and click Copy on the toolbar. Drag the new footer bar to the bottom of the page. Resize it. And reposition. To add custom elements, go to Elements and then Shapes. Select a shape and drag it to the page, adding a background for the page number. Position the shape. To set the colour to match the footer bar, select the footer, click the colour icon on the toolbar and copy the RGB value. To change the colour on the shape, select the shape, click the colour button and paste in the RGB value. Now resize the shape, reposition it, Reselect it and click Send to Back. Make some adjustments, then select the page number and change the text color. Make sure the text is centered in the shape. Now save the layout. Click the page layout icon to the right of the page. When the sidebar opens, click on Manage. Enter a name for the layout. This one's called Fitness Man 6 Product Layout. Click Save. Now you can add another page. Click the Add a New Page icon, and then the Page Layout icon. The sidebar will open. You can select the new layout, and here it is. So you can add some products by clicking the Add icon. Select some products from the sidebar, click Apply Now. Here is the new page, and that's how easy it is to create a layout with custom dimensions. Now you have your own layout, you can create a big catalogue automatically. To create a new catalogue automatically, select the collections you want to include, click Submit. The Create Zine pop-up will appear. Enter the name of your new catalogue, then select your design. Scroll down until you see the layout. Click on it to select it, then click Create. Your new catalogue is being created automatically. Here is the new catalogue. The cover page defaults to the first product. You can change this or customize it. Close the sidebar. This catalogue has 5 pages. Going back to the cover page, select the image, resizing the image, repositioning, now the text, send to back, change the colour, center, and here is the finished catalogue.